Za'atar Chicken, Palestine on a Plate by Joudie Kalla. I have so many cookbooks that I really want to share some recipes and sometimes my opinions about these books with people. By following cookbook recipes, we can explore new dishes and discover flavor combinations. Za'atar is a spice mix made from wild thyme, sesame, and sumac. The author suggests going for the best quality za'atar you can find to get the best result. You can easily find this in Middle Eastern countries. It also means that you can get za'atar in cold stores that sell Middle Eastern food. Preheat your oven. Line a baking tray with baking parchment. Lightly coat the skin with olive oil. Turn over and use the remainder. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes. Turn the pieces over before putting them back in the oven. Make sure the chicken is evenly covered in all the flavorings. Cook skin side up for a further 10 minutes. We will sprinkle with pomegranate seeds and the sliced chili and garnish with mint leaves. The book says to generously drizzle the juices from the baking tray all over the chicken, but I didn't have juices to do so. All the pieces were moist and had just cooked, and the whole flavor was enhanced amazingly well with the fresh mint leaves. Would I cook this again? Yes, I would. But I would add a little bit of water in the sauce and would probably salt the chicken slightly ahead. You should try this too.